Yo, 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 yo. What's up, man? My name is Mac, China Mac. I'm a content creator. I started off as a rapper in the content field. Then I just delved into YouTube. And YouTube has proved to be more lucrative, less overhead, more chances of making more revenue, and more chances of connecting to your subscribers, fans directly, like constantly, proven to be a better way to build with your fans and audience. So I've been a YouTuber for the last, let's say 7 years. Yeah. I've been on and off, but I've been content creating for the whole time. And as a content creator, you want to find different ways to connect with your audience and also different ways to make revenue, right? So content creating is one thing, but merch is another thing, right? Merch is something that I've always been working on. I don't think I've actually found the perfect relationship when it comes to manufacturing. I just put it all in somebody else's hand and let that third party like do everything. But I've come to realize in content creation and everything else, unless you have like the perfect team, you want to do it yourself because nobody's going to do it for you the way you're going to do it. And if you let somebody else just handle everything, you don't know what's going on. And it's just better to really like do it, at least oversee it, at least like understand it yourself.